Starting your own business training venture is a fantastic way to share your expertise, help others succeed, and build a profitable career on your own terms. If you have a passion for teaching, a strong understanding of business principles, and the drive to be your own boss, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. With more entrepreneurs and professionals looking to sharpen their skills, the demand for quality business training has never been higher. Whether you want to offer in-person workshops, online courses, or one-on-one coaching, there are endless ways to structure your business and create a steady income. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to get started, from defining your niche to setting up your training programs, marketing your services, and turning your expertise into a thriving business. Let's dive in. Running your own business training can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. But like any business, it comes with its own challenges. Let's break down the pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking to improve their skills. Whether it's leadership, marketing, sales, or financial management, quality training is always in demand. If you can deliver real value, you'll never run out of potential clients. Unlike other businesses that require inventory, office space, or expensive equipment, a business training business can be started with just a laptop, internet connection, and expertise. If you focus on online coaching or digital courses, your overhead remains low while your profit potential stays high. You decide how and when you work. Want to offer one-on-one coaching, group workshops, self-paced online courses. You can structure your business in a way that fits your lifestyle. And once you create a course or training program, you can sell it over and over without extra effort, making it an excellent source of passive income. Helping others succeed in business is highly rewarding. As you train more clients and build your reputation, your credibility grows, leading to more opportunities, referrals, and even potential partnerships. However, before you jump in, it's important to consider the challenges that come with running a business training business. Let's take a look at some potential drawbacks and how to navigate them. Being an expert in business doesn't automatically bring clients. You'll need to invest time in marketing, networking, and sales to attract students and keep your pipeline full. Whether it's social media, content marketing, or paid ads, visibility is key. If you're offering live coaching or workshops, your income is tied to your time. You'll need to balance client work, content creation, and business development to grow sustainably. However, once you develop scalable products like online courses or memberships, you can earn more while working less. The business world is constantly evolving, which means you need to stay ahead of trends and update your training materials regularly. Clients expect relevant, up-to-date insights, so ongoing learning is a must. The great thing about starting a business training is that you don't need a ton of expensive equipment or a physical office. Your knowledge and expertise are your most valuable assets. But to set yourself up for success, here are a few key things you'll want to have in place. Since most training is done online these days, a good laptop and a stable internet connection are essential. Whether you're hosting live coaching sessions, recording courses, or creating digital resources, having the right tech setup ensures smooth delivery and a professional experience. You don't need a complicated website, but having a professional landing page helps potential clients learn about your services, book sessions, and contact you easily. A simple site with your bio, expertise, testimonials, and a way to sign up can go a long way in building trust. Before you start, define who you want to help and what you'll teach. Are you focusing on entrepreneurs, corporate teams, or small business owners? Will you cover leadership, marketing, finance, or productivity? Having a clear niche and structured training plan makes it easier to attract clients and stand out from the competition. If you're doing live training or online courses, you'll need basic tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet for virtual sessions, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva for presentations, Loom or OBS Studio for recording training materials. Now that we've covered everything, let's dive into the legal side of the business. You don't need a special license to start a training business, but registering legally is essential. Some states require a general business license or sales tax permit, especially if you sell training materials. Setting up as an LLC or sole proprietorship protects you from liability and simplifies taxes. Some industries may have specific coaching regulations, so check local laws to stay compliant. If you're unsure how to get started, check out our simple guide on how to open a business in each U.S. state. It walks you through the steps you need to take to ensure your business is fully legal and ready to operate. Now that we've covered the legal side of things and you're set to start your training business on the right foot, let's talk about building your online presence. A website is an essential tool for managing your business, scheduling clients, and making your services easy to find. IKOL is a great platform for business trainers, offering all the tools you need to run your business smoothly. With IKOL, you can manage client appointments, create invoices, and even accept payments online. It's a simple all-in-one platform that lets you focus on training while IKOL handles the tech side. To get started, head over to ikol.com, click Get Started, and select Services. From there, search for business training. Choose the services you want to offer, and follow the simple steps to create your website. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functional website ready to go. Once your site is up, clients can easily book appointments online, and you can manage all their information right from your dashboard. You'll also have access to client leads, ensuring you can follow up and stay on top of potential opportunities. Plus, you'll get an AI assistant that will help convert hesitant website visitors into your loyal customers, making sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. It's that easy. Now you're all set to grow your training business with a professional online presence that helps you stay organized and attract more clients. For more customization tips, check out the tutorial playlist on our YouTube channel. When it comes to advertising your training services, there are a few key strategies you should focus on to help you get noticed by potential clients. Since you're offering a service that benefits local businesses and professionals, start by putting your advertising efforts where your target audience is most likely to see them. Consider handing out flyers, posting in local business centers, or participating in networking events to raise awareness. Offering free workshops or discounts for first-time clients can also help you build a strong reputation and attract new business. Social media is a great way to boost your visibility and build trust with potential clients. Create accounts on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to post updates, share success stories, and even offer tips on business growth and development. Regular posts will keep you top of mind for when someone needs a business coach, and it's a great way to reach new clients. Running digital ads is another effective way to attract attention. Use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook ads to target professionals and businesses in your area, making it easier for them to find your services when they search for training or coaching. Email marketing is a powerful tool to stay connected with current clients and keep them engaged. Send out newsletters with valuable content, reminders for upcoming sessions, or even special offers. It's a great way to encourage repeat business and ensure your clients stay engaged. Overall, starting your own training business is a fantastic way to turn your expertise into a profitable and rewarding venture. With the right tools, skills, and marketing strategies in place, you can build a successful business that not only supports your lifestyle, but also helps others thrive. So if you're ready to get started, take that first step toward launching your business training business. We wish you the best of luck, and we're excited to see where your journey takes you. IKOL, AI for Business.